Dear students, this is my second video online classes. First, I taught in the first video, that is the previous video, about the synopsis of trigonometry. It is 1 hour and 4 minutes. In that video, the last concept, that is, I started the 20 formulas, first, second. That is the last 4 minutes is there. Okay, now in that one a small correction is there. Okay, now I'll continue that one. You see that correction is that is a 20 formula. First is okay. The second one, cos theta, cos of 2 theta, cos of 2 square theta, cos of 2 cube theta, dash cos of 2 power n minus 1 theta, okay na, is equal to sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n sin theta. This is correct. In that previous video, you see wrongly it is noted. Instead of cos, there I noted as sin. That is wrong. This is correct. You please note it well. And in the example also, I wrote there in the first video, there it is sin just like I wrote. But it is a cos. Okay, na? Don't confuse. This is a small correction. You see, all are in LHS are cos. These are product of n causes. Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, and so on up to last cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. Okay, now? And its answer in RHS is only in the sign. You see 2 power n minus 1 here, but in RHS 2 power n only. Okay, na? Theta by 2 power n sin theta. Now, we come to the example. What is the value of? Okay, now all are in the cos. 10, theta is 10. 2 into 10, 20. 2 square into 10, 40. 2 cube into 10. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 10 is 80. So here n minus 1 is 3. So n is 4. So the answer is, by using the 20 method, answer is sin 2 power 3 plus 1, 2 power 4. Okay, na? 16 into 10, 160 degrees by 2 power 4, that means 16. Sin theta, that's right, is 10 only. So sin 160, 180 minus 20, it is in the second quadrant, sin is positive. So it is a sin 20 by 16 sin 10. Okay, now sin 20 means sin 2 into 10. It is 2 sin A cos A. Sin 2A na? Sin 2A, sin 2 into 10. That is sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. So 2 sin 10 cos 10 by 16 sin 10 as it is. Okay, na? You see there. So sin cancels 2 8s. So the answer is at last cos 10 by 8. Okay, na? You see. Once again, you observe me na? Clearly observe me. It is only in LHS product of causes. N causes are there. But it results in RHS as a sign only. Okay, na? It is an important formula. It is a 20 formula, second one. Okay, na? And you observe the example. Okay, na? Like this. Okay? Okay. Pass. We continue the 20 formulas. The third one, cos theta plus cos of 120 plus theta plus cos of 120 minus theta is always 0. It is a problem in the theory. Theory means in the concept. The board syllabus, already you know, like these problems we solved. But it is taken as one formula, that is 20 formula. 20 means a shortcut method. You say cos theta, cos 120 plus theta plus cos 120 minus theta. 120 only, not 60 or 240. It is always 0. Okay, we want. You see, if you assume this is A and this is B and it is C, we assume like that. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then in arithmetic, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC is there. So what is A? A means it is cos theta. A cube means cos cube theta plus cos cube of 120 plus theta plus cos cube of 120 minus theta is equal to, it is 3 ABC, 3 cos theta, cos of 120 minus plus theta, cos of 120 minus theta. So this is nothing but in the first 20 formula already is given in the sine, cos and tan verified. Cos theta, cos 60 plus theta, cos 60 minus theta. That 60 may be 120, 240, 300 also is given. So here it is, by using the first formula, it is 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Okay now? So altogether it is simply 3 by 4 cos 3 theta. The formula is, it is cos cube theta, cos cube of 120 plus theta, cos cube of 120 minus theta. This is a second formula in this concept. It is plus first one. You see, cos theta plus cos of 120 plus theta, cos of 120 minus theta is equal to 0. From this main formula, it is also there. So, we will take one example. Cos 5 plus cos 115 plus cos 125. You see, this is a problem given in the JEE Mains, CAT, some other exams. You see, it is in the form of this one. Theta is 5 degrees. 120 minus theta, 120 minus 5, 115. 120 plus theta, 120 plus 5, 125. Now this is 0 by using that formula. Okay now? It is okay. And so it is one and second one. Cos cube 5 plus cos cube 115 plus cos cube 125. You see, by using this one, say theta is 5, 120 plus theta is 125, 120 minus 5 is 115, cubes are there. It is nothing but 3 by 4 cos 3 into 5. It is 3 by 4 cos 15 degrees. It is 3 of root 3 plus 1 by 4 into 2 root 2, 8 root 2 will come. So this is answer. Okay now? It is an important formula. So it is the third one. Okay now? Pass. The fourth formula. Only fourth. It is just like the third formula. The third formula, cos is given. That is cos theta, cos of 120 plus theta plus cos of 120 minus theta. Whereas here it is theta minus 1. That is the difference. It is in the sign. Here also it gives 0. Very simple how it is. Just you assume theta is equal to 0. Sin 0 is 0. Na? Sin 120 plus 0. Sin 120. Root 3 by 2. It is minus 120, minus root 3 by 2. Cancels, we get a 0. Okay, na? It is not needed. It is a theory problem in our textbook. Okay, leave down. It is taken as one formula, 20 formula. Okay, it is 0. Here also we take this is A and it is B and it is C. A plus B plus C is equal to 0 now. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, by arithmetic formulas, fundamental, it is A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. One formula is there. It is a fundamental. In lower classes, this formula is there. Okay, leave it out. So, what is A? A is a sin theta, sin cube theta. B is sin of 120 plus theta, sin cube of 120 plus theta. C is sin of theta minus 120. So, it is sin cube of theta minus 120. Is equal to 3ABC. You substitute. What is ABC? So, we get, you see, here we get sin theta, sin of 120 plus theta, sin of theta minus 120. In the first 20 formula, sin theta, sin 120 plus theta, sin 120 minus theta is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta is there. Clearly I am telling in the first 20 formula, theta 60 plus theta, 60 minus theta is there. That 60 can be changed as 120 and 120, 240 as 300. So, it is by first formula, it is 120 minus theta, 120 minus theta, but here it is theta minus 120. In order to get 120 minus theta, it is interchanged. We get minus, sin of minus something. That sin of minus something is minus something. Okay, na? So, in order to write this one, I take 1 minus. Okay, na? You try to understand. Now, it is minus 3 means 3 into minus is minus 3. Sin theta, sin 120 plus theta, sin 120 minus theta by using this formula is 1 by 4. Okay, na? 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. That is 3 into 1 by 4 is minus 3 by 4 sin 3 theta. Okay, na? One example, I want to give one example to try to understand. Sin 5 plus sin 125 plus sin minus 115 is there. Same as the first one, you see. Same as by the first formula. If theta is equal to 5 degrees, 120 plus theta is 125. Theta minus 120. 5 minus 120 is minus 115. It gives 0 by using that formula. Here also by using this, it can also be asked as sin cube 5 degrees plus sin cube 125 degrees plus sin cube minus 150. Okay, na? Or otherwise, instead of minus, it can be given as here minus. Try to understand. Here it is minus. Its answer is, it is just like this formula. It is minus 3 by 4 sin 3 into 5 because theta is 5. So it is minus 3 by 4. Okay, na? It is sin 3 into 5, sin 15. Already many times we solved it. It is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So, it is minus 3 of root 3 minus 1 by 8 root 2. Okay, na? Okay, na? Is it clear? These 4 formulas, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are very important. And from using these 4 formulas, previously in JEE and CET also, many times the questions are asked. So, be prepared well. Pass. You see, first 4 is important. Okay. Next, you see, these 3 also important. Fifth one, sin alpha plus sin of alpha plus beta, sin of alpha plus 2 beta, alpha plus 3 beta, and going on up to Last alpha plus n minus 1 beta. You see, in these angles of sine, if you observe alpha plus beta, alpha plus 2 beta. First term, common difference is beta is added. Okay, na? So these angles are in AP. Here, the last term is alpha plus n minus 1 beta. Then, the sum of these sines is simply sine of n beta by 2. Here n minus 1 is there. That means n terms are there. N beta by 2 by sine beta by 2 simply. Into sine of the first term alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. Okay, na? You remember it well. Similarly, in the case of cos also, the same procedure. But in the answer is the same, sine by sine. Sine n beta by 2 by sine beta by 2. If it is in the sine, answer is with the sine. If it is cos of alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. The difference is only here, this term. Try to understand it. First, these are same. If sine is sine of alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2, cos is cos of alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. Okay, na? Clear. For example, I write here also example. Cos pi by 7 plus cos 2 pi by 7. 2 pi by 7 means pi by 7 plus pi by 7. 3 pi by 7 means pi by 7 plus 2 pi by 7. Here also the same method, 6 to 1. A, first term, pi by 7. Common difference also pi by 7. Beta is also pi by 7. Alpha is pi by 7. Beta is pi by 7 here also. So it is up to 10 pi by 7. That means there are 10 terms are there. So here 10 comes. Okay, na? Pi by 7 plus 9 pi by 7 here you observe. N minus 1 is 9 here. I tell it clearly. I am writing this one here. You see, it is pi by 7 plus 9 pi by 7. Will you agree? So 9 is n minus 1. N minus 1 is 9 means n is 10. Na? So here it is. You see, n beta by 2, you see, very clearly it is given. Okay, now, like this. So it is 10. Here also it is 10. Okay, now? But here is one more thing. It is by 7, by 2 is there. If by 2 is there, here also by 2 is there. Or otherwise, we may write pi by 7 by 2. Why? Because beta by 2 is there. Or otherwise, we may write it as 14. Here also, it is 14. Here also, it is 14. Okay, na? Alright. These are the two formulas. Now we go to the seventh one. It is also important. Many times asked by using this formula also. Tan alpha plus 2 tan 2 alpha plus 2 square tan 2 square alpha plus dash dash 2 power n minus 1 tan 2 power n minus 1 alpha. Last term is 2 power n. Cot is there. Cot 2 power n alpha. You see, observe me. Alpha 1 alpha. Its multiple is 2 alpha. And here it is 2 square alpha, 2 cube alpha, 2 power n alpha. Before that one, the last term is cot. It ended with cot. But before, all the terms are with the tan. You observe it. You observe it. It's very clear. All terms are tan. But the last term is a cot. And a regularity is there. Alpha na, 2 alpha na, 2 square alpha na, 2 cube alpha na, 2 power n minus 1 alpha na, 2 power n alpha. That is last. And one more thing is, here 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power n. A regularity is there in this one. This answer is very simple, cut. Always cut. You see, clearly, I give the second example. Tan theta, 2 into tan 2 theta, 4. 4 means 2 square into tan 2 square theta, 4 theta. It is 8, 8 means 2 cube, cot 2 cube theta, 8 theta. That means it is ended with the cot. At this time, simply we write cot theta. Its answer is cot theta. For example, one more thing I want here. Suppose tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 4 tan 4A plus 8 tan 8A plus 16 tan 16A plus all are tan. But here it is ended with 32 cot 32A. Then its answer is simple, it is cot A only. Okay, no? Because it is in this 7th model formula. All are tan, last one is cot. It is 2 power 1, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, this 16 is 2 power 4, 32 is 2 power 5. Okay, na? So it is in the formula for 7th formula. So its answer is simply cot. Okay, na? You prepare it well. Okay, na? Yeah. Yes. 7th one, 7th 20 formula. If A plus B is equal to pi by 4 or 5 pi by 4. Pi by 4, 45 degrees or 5 pi by 4, 225 degrees. That is in the first quadrant or in the third quadrant. This is the condition. Then 1 plus tan A of 1 plus tan B is always 2, or 1 minus cot A of 1 minus cot B is also 2. Okay, now you see, related this one, if A plus B, the same 8 1, A plus B is 3 pi by 4 or 7 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is 135 in the second quadrant. 7 pi by 4, 315 in the fourth quadrant. Then 1 minus tan A of 1 minus tan B is equal to 2, or 1 plus cot A of 1 plus cot B is equal to 2. Okay, now you see, I will give an example. You see, what is the value of? The value of 1 plus tan 22 of 1 plus tan 23 is dash. If you see this problem in exam, that is in the JEE Mains or CET or any other objective exam, there is no value table, this value tan 22, tan 23. Not possible to find these values. But like this question is asked, certainly we will be collapsed, confused. So no, by using this 20 formula, its answer is 2. Okay, na? Its answer is 2. Okay. Why? Because this 22 plus 23 is 45 by using that formula. Okay now. Suppose value of 1 minus cot 5 of 1 minus cot 40 is there. Also same. It is the answer is 2. Why? Because here it is 5 plus 40 is equal to 45 by using that formula. This is 1 minus cot A of 1 minus cot B. You see, one more example. If otherwise the value of, you see, 1 minus cot 67.5 degrees, 1 plus I will take 1 plus cot it is 57.5 degrees and it is 77.5 degrees. Its value. See, it is also 2. Why? Because 57.5 plus 77.5 degrees. How much? It is 1 degree na? 1 degree is 7 plus 7 14 plus this 1 degree is 15 degrees. Now it is 135. Okay na? This is this condition. Then it is 1 plus cot. 1 plus cot. 1 plus cot we have 1 plus cot we must be here. Okay na? Like this. Okay na? Use this formula. Okay na? Yeah, pass. Okay. Ninth formula. You see, if A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then tan A minus tan B is equal to 2 tan of A minus. Okay now? How it is proved? Okay, I will leave it out. It is not needed. Of course, this is a problem in our textbook. First period in trigonometry. Okay, leave it out. But it is taken as the formula. Now observe me. By using the formula, how the question is asked in the exam, you see, value of tan 70 minus tan 20. You see, first option is 2 tan 50. Second option is tan 50. Third option is cot 40. Fourth option is some none, just to assume. Okay now, if you see this question in the exam, certainly will be confused. Tan 70, we don't know the value of tan 70. Tan 20 also not there. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Sometimes 15, 22.5 degrees. Okay, it is standard. Whereas tan 17, tan 20, not possible to find. Okay now you see, here solution you see, 70 plus 20 is equal to 90 na? A plus B, 70 plus 20, 90. So, tan 70 minus tan 20, how much? It is 2 times of, by using that formula, it is 70 minus 20. It is 2 tan 50. Okay na? So, this is the answer. Sometimes it also asked, at last moment the problem will be, the solution will be changed. It is 2 cot 40 also. Why? Because tan 50 is nothing but tan of 90 minus 40. Tan 90 minus 40 is cot 40. Okay na? Like this. Is it clear? Yeah. Yeah. The 10th one. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Then cos square A plus cos square b minus cos a cos b is always 3 by 4. And one more thing is there, in terms of sine also, sine square a plus sine square b plus sine a sine b is always 3 by 4. Related with this one, if a minus b is 60 degrees, then cos square a plus cos square b minus cos a cos b is 3 by 4. Whereas sin square a plus sin square b minus sin a sin b is 3 by 4. So answer is 3 by 4. You see, a plus b is there, sin square a plus sin square b, or cos square a plus cos b. It is common for a plus b 60 or a minus b 60. But the difference is, you see, in terms of sin only, a plus b is there, plus sin a sin b. A minus b is there, minus sin a sin b is there. But in two cases, either a plus b is equal to 60 or a minus b is equal to 60, the cos is same, you observe it. Okay, now? These are the twisted formulas. You mind it well. See, I will explain in an example. Simply value of cos square 20 plus cos square 40 minus cos 20 cos 40 values asked in the exam. You see, we don't know cos 20 or cos 40. We know it in the table. 0, cos 0, cos 45, cos 30, cos 60 and cos 90. Sometimes cos pi 180 degrees, sometimes cos 15, sometimes okay. How can you get the value of cos 20 and cos 40? No, not possible. But the question is like that. Other times, certainly we will be confused. But by using this 20 formula, we can find. Here it is, you see, 20 plus 40 is equal to 60 now. So the first formula. Okay now. So its answer is how much? It is simply 3 by 4. Why? Because using this formula. Okay now. Like this, in case of sine also. Suppose, okay, you see, observe me. I want to use this formula. What is the value of cos square 80? I will write in sine. Sine square 80, sine square 20, okay now, minus sine 80, sine 20. It is also 3 by 4. Why? Because I am using this formula. You see, this formula. Here A is 80, B is 20. A minus B is 80 minus 20 means it is 60. Okay now? So here also by using this formula we get 3 by 4. So in two cases it is 3 by 4. Okay. I want to tell one more thing. Observe. Okay now? The last one. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Pi means 180 degrees. Okay na? 180 degrees. If A plus B plus C is pi. Not only pi, it is also n pi. N pi also okay. Where this is called as where for all. Where n belongs to capital N. Capital N is natural numbers. It may be 1 pi, it may be 2 pi, 3 pi, okay, like that. Then the condition is sigma tan A is equal to pi tan A, or sigma cot A cot B is equal to 1. Try to understand it. sigma is the summation tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Pi means not 180 degrees, not 22/7. Here pi is the notation for continued product. You see, this means, I'll write it here. This means it is tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. Here is a summation, here is a product. Okay now? In the problems we will use it. The last one more, 12th one. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degrees. Or otherwise, we may write it also like this condition. A plus B plus C is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Here also n belongs to capital N. Then condition is, this is with this condition, the question is, the formula is, it is sigma tan A tan B is equal to 1. Or you see, sigma cot A is equal to pi cot B. Okay now? It is just a reverse, you see. Conditions are different. It is a pi, it is a pi by 2. You leave out this 2n plus 1 pi by 2, n pi, you leave out. In one rotation, you take it. A plus B plus C is equal to pi. The condition is sigma tan A is equal to pi tan A. Whereas A plus B plus C is pi by 2. The condition is, you see, sigma tan A tan B. It's just like cot A cot B. Here it is cot, here it is tan. You see. Here it is sigma cot A is equal to pi cot A. It is reversed just. Okay now? Try to take it as okay now? It is important formula. Okay now? Pass.